When initially pouring through your posted G-code, you want to make sure that everything that would potentially alarm out the machine is squared away in the programming room, limiting the back and forth time to the machine. NCSIML shows us two errors here, the first being a line with unknown codes on it. Clicking the error message brings us directly there in the G-code on the right, and we can see that the first tool callout is missing the parentheses. You can still use the quick edit tool like before to edit anything you would like in the G-code, but you can also use the comment selected line command to quickly fix this issue. With the line in question highlighted, select this icon from the G-code management tools and watch as it automatically adds the type of syntax needed to comment the line based on the controller type, being FANUC, Haas, Siemens, Heidenhain, Okuma, in this case Mazak, or more. Notice the error message disappears and you can continue to clean up the G-code, prepping it for simulation and final certification, ensuring that it only has to be sent out to the machine one time.